And now would like to call upon Dnyaneshwar, who is also a state PSC in-service candidate, who knows when to hold and when to move on in this journey of UPSC preparation. I would like to ask him to inspire the young aspirants.
The honorable dignitaries on the dais, respected teachers, my future colleagues in the service of nation, the dear students, aspirants, their ever supporting parents, to all of you, namaskar and a very good afternoon. I'm standing before you, it feels like a privilege, but I'm not standing as a symbol of success, but I'm here as a humble representative of my long and uncertain journey. I hope that my words could add some energy into your efforts and your dreams. So first of all, I would like to introduce myself Dnyaneshwar Mukhekar. I'm coming from a rural part of Maharashtra, Ahmednagar district. Dr. Mahesh Bhagwat sir and me, we share the same native place. I completed my primary schooling at my village itself. Then I completed my engineering in mechanical from Pune University in 2016, and after that I started preparation for the UPSC. So I just want to convey my journey in a very brief. I appeared 7 times for the UPSC Civil Services exam. First 5 years I was dedicatedly preparing for UPSC. Out of that 5 attempts, I cleared prelims only once, and I wrote 2018 mains, but I could not clear it. But after 5 attempts, that was I think the rock bottom phase of my journey, because after completion of engineering 5 years, I had nothing in my hand. So I thought of having a plan B, and at that time in 2020, I shifted to the Public Service Commission exam of the Maharashtra. I gave one attempt in 2020, and in that attempt I cleared it. I got my first appointment as a desk officer in the Mantralaya of Maharashtra in 2020, and after that I appeared for one more time to upgrade from class group B to group A service, and in 2021 State Public Service Commission exam I upgraded my post. I got selected as Assistant Commissioner in the GST, and currently I'm working in Pune as Assistant Commissioner GST. But after that, the dream of UPSC, which I left in 2020, I started preparing again during my training days. I appeared for the 2023 prelims exam. I cleared that exam because in the previous attempt I found that insecurity was the main factor which was restricting me to realize my potential. So I addressed that with the job, and because of that I was very secure and I had something to hold on. So I cleared 2023 prelims, I cleared 2023 mains. I appeared for the interview for the first time in my 6th attempt, but unfortunately I couldn't make it to the finalist. I missed the final cutoff by 15 marks. Then I reappear again in 2024, and here I'm in front of you with the AIR 707. So the basic objective behind this long story is to tell you 2 messages. The first one is that if you are doing your efforts, if you are honest with the preparation, you are putting your 100%, 200%, then believe me, there is a light at the end of the tunnel. And the second message is for those who are who want to come into this process, who are aspiring to be a civil servants. So for them, I can say your journey can be short and confident like the Pulki's journey, but just keep it in mind that your journey can be so long and tiring, just like my journey, the 7 years of preparation. So in terms of advices to you, I think most of the advices my fellow colleagues, they have covered it. But the one thing I want to tell that always calibrate yourself. Means always ask the questions, are you doing what the exam or what the stage of the exam is is expecting you to do. For example, if you are preparing for the prelims, then are you solving the MCQs, because that is the main thing which you have to do in that 2 hours. So MCQ solving is the basic thing for prelim. Then if you are preparing for mains, ask yourself, are you doing the answer writing practice? Because after all, you have to write answers for 3 hours for every paper, and for the interview, are you talking? So these are the basic questions. Sometimes we do justice with the study related part, but we miss the performance related part. So I think the both stages should be balanced. Then what I realized in this journey, that we should accept the uncertainty and unexpectedness of this exam. Even though we are putting our 100% efforts, we are doing everything that we can do. Then even in that attempt also, you may not get selected. So that is the how UPSC is, or that is how the competitive exams work. So don't be so harsh on yourself. Just be in the process. And my advice to those who are coming into the process, do your graduation very well, because your graduation can be your plan B. I was good at engineering, and I always have this option. If I won't get selected, I will do something in the engineering field. So do your graduation well, and at the right moment you should switch on the plan B. It is not at all advisable to be in the process for 7-8 years without having anything at hand, in my personal opinion. Then I would like to express my sincere gratitude to my family, to my friends, to the respected mentors, because even though it seems that it is my success, I would say it is a cumulative success of all these factors, and also the invisible energy which was with me and which is with me for the entire journey. Just I would like to recite one poem from the Baba Amte. You must have known the Karma Yogi Baba Amte from Maharashtra, which that poem has always been a source of inspiration for me in the journey. First, I would recite it in the Marathi, because it has that energy in the Marathi, and I would translate it in the English. The poem goes like that: जहाजाबरोबर स्वतःला बुडून घेणारे कर्णधार जेथे असतात, तेथेच बुडता देश वाचवणाऱ्या नाविकांच्या पिढ्या जन्म घेतात. वाट पाहणाऱ्या किनाऱ्यांना आणि लाटांच्या उग्र कल्लोळांना कळू द्या, मी अजून जहाज सोडलेलं नाही. In English, it is like that: where exist captains who choose to go down with their ships, there only arises generations of sailors who save sinking nations. Let the waiting shore and the furious roar of the waves know that I have not abandoned ship yet. Thank you.